wash your saltfish, you know, codfish. Just wash all that salt off first before you add it to the boiling water. That way, you know, your saltfish and ackee won't be too salty, you know. So just rinse off all that salt first, and then we're going to transfer it to the boiling water. Alright, so now guys, we're just going to boil the saltfish. Alright guys, so as you can see, the saltfish is already cooked. I boiled it for like 10 minutes. Then the next step is to strain the water off, rinse it off with some fresh water, and then we're going to mix it up with the ackee and peppers and onion, tomato, all that good stuff. So just stay tuned for the next step. Now we're just gonna strain, you know, our saltfish. Then we're just gonna you know, break it apart a little bit. You know, you don't wanna make it too trashy. You just wanna break it up in big chunks, you know, and let it go on cool. Alright guys, so the next step is to add some fresh ackee, you know, into the hot boiling water. Alright. Alright guys, so basically you're gonna repeat the same steps, you know, just strain your hot water off, add some fresh water to it, you know, just to rinse it off, cool it down a little bit, and then we'll, you know, just jump to the next step. Alright, and add some onion, you know, a little bit of tomato, some nice bell peppers, you know, and basically the goal right here so is just to saute, you know, season it and get a nice little brown color, you know, and this is gonna give your dish a little nice little flavor. Then we're gonna add some thyme as well, you know. And once our fresh seasoning start to caramelize a little bit, then we're gonna start adding the saltfish, and then we'll add the ackee afterwards. Alright, so basically everything looks good so far. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna add our saltfish, yeah? Add that saltfish to the mixture. Gonna mix it together, you know, just be, you know, a little gentle with it, yeah? You don't have to overdo it. Then we're gonna add some black pepper, not too much. Stir it up a little bit, and then we're just gonna cover up the pot for like a minute and let it go and simmer, you know. Alright, so, you know, add the ackee. Just eat. Come on. Stir it up a little. And like I said before, you know, I'll be too rough because, you know, I'll mash up the ackee and one thing, you know. Yeah. Give it a little stir, man. Yeah. Looking good so far. Now, just gonna add a little bit of scotch bonnet pepper to it, you know? Yeah, not too much. It's like 3 small pieces. And right now I have my stove on medium heat. You know, you don't want the stove to be too high because, you know, burn up the ackee and saltfish, and, you know, everything starts to stick to the bottom of the pan. So add a little bit more black pepper, and I'm gonna add a little pinch of ground pimento that may mash up earlier, you know. All right, so let's let it go and simmer. Looking good so far, you know.